Let's see the login system created using Python and Flask. In Flask, if we run the application, if we run the code, then we will find this home register and login. We click on register, then we can register. Let's register mine. Then let's do this. If we click on register, it will flash the message you are registered and can now login, and it will redirect to login. Then after logging in, we can see photo is there and logout is there. Then and if we click logout, then it is logged out. So if we have to see the code, this is the code. Here to make our password encrypted, we have used SHA 256 algorithm. So 256 bytes algorithm is there. Then these are the basic things: request, then method, which methods are allowed, then register and all. The Flash is responsible to put this message, and these are the templates where we have used HTML file. If we go in layout, so this is using Bootstrap. Then in includes folder, we have used those Flash messages. This is how we can create login system using Flask.